How to fix fail to connect issue in your OBS Studio. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can fix the fail to connect error message in your OBS Studios. So the first thing that you can do is simply go to this file option over the top left corner and from here choose settings. Now within the settings, you can go to the stream option and from here choose that particular service using which you want to stream, and then from here you can use your stream key. Now from here type in the stream key and you can choose this connect account option. So from here you can also show or hide your stream key and click onto this get stream key to find your stream key from the YouTube. Now apart from that, you also have this option of output and advanced as well, but there is not a lot of options. So from here you can use the stream delay or check also your network. So here is your network and here is your IP family. So from here within this, you can also bind to IP and also dynamically change bitrate to manage congestion. So you can also use this and enable network optimizations as well and check if that works for you. And also make sure that your Wi-Fi is not blocking any OBS traffic. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.